My name is Betty Raney, and I'm a GYN with Roper St. Francis Physician Partners. Currently, my practice focuses on menopausal women. I do full-range gynecology and take care of women of all ages. I do a lot of hormone replacement therapy. I enjoy surgery and take care of a lot of problems associated with the aging female. My mission work in Africa was exciting, it was illuminating, it was frightening, very scary, but it was a very rewarding experience because I came away from there knowing that I had saved lives and taken care of women that were walking around that wouldn't be walking around if I hadn't been there. I enjoy working at Roper St. Francis because the high quality of physicians is amazing, and no matter what specialty I may need, whether it's a consult from neurology, from intensive care, from internal medicine, my patients have access to all the high quality physicians that they need. I get as much from my patients as they get from me, and when I know I've actually helped them take care of a problem that has improved the way they live, that makes me feel wonderful. So again, I'm in medicine not only to take care of my patients, but they take care of me.